Welcome to Drop Zone Elite. So today I'll be talking about this particular airdrop called Alphabot. Okay, so now to get to this particular page, there is a link down in the description. Once you click on it, you're going to get to this particular page. Okay, so now I'll be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to navigate through this particular one. So once you get to this place, you just click on Get Start. So click on sign in. So for me, I signed in using a Gmail. Okay, so I would advise you also do the same, because reason for that is because after signing in here, there is still space for you to add your MetaMask and then other ones. Okay, so I would advise you sign in using a Google account. Okay, so once you click here, so as you can see, I have logged in. So once I click on here, I will now get to the main page. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do here is to come here and then connect my social. So as you can see here, there is space for me to do that. So if I come here now, I click on my Discord. I have to authorize my Discord, so I click on it, authorize. Okay, click on here. So as you can see, I've added my Discord. Next thing I'll do is to add my Telegram. Okay, I've done that. So now here I have to sign in wallet as well too. So now after you're done with the verification stuff, you then have to get to the main page. So I've already logged in already. I've already signed in. So this is my new account for this particular airdrop. So now, once you get here, as you can see here, there are tasks you have to do. Of course, here they have one-time tasks and then the daily one. Okay, so now one of the starter tasks you have to do here is to connect your X account, connect your Discord, connect your Telegram. So once you do that, you end point also. So as you can see here now, I have done this green color, shows that I already earned the point. Okay, so once you click here, the Twitter, the Discord, to just take you direct to your Twitter, Discord, or wherever to authorize it. So once you're done with authorizing, you come here and also claim your points. So this is one of the starter tasks you have to do. Okay, so you have to do it just once. Okay, so once you're done with it, to come here and then claim your points. Now that's for the one-time one. So now the ones that you have to be doing daily is now this one. So as you can see here, one of the tasks you have to do daily is that you have to do the daily spin. So once you come here, you click at this spin. Okay, you come here, spin. Okay, so you do this one daily, just kind of a lucky one. Then okay, I've claimed points and then my points have already added. Okay, so now apart from this, so once you're done with anyone, you can see to just tick this green color. That means you have already, the points have been added to you. So now the next one is to join this Raffles. Okay, so now once you come here, there are many Raffles that you can join. Okay, depending on the one that you want to join. So then to join anyone here, that there is some small tasks you have to do. Okay, now take for instance here, I have this one. Now if I want to join this one, I'll just click here. Okay, so if I come here, of course I have added most of my details. I've already linked my Twitter and my Discord account. So once I just come here, the ones I have to complete now, you just to come here, follow them on Twitter, follow these pages on Twitter. So once I'm done with it, I'll come here, verify, and then enter. So that's only the easiest way to do that. So once you just come here, follow them on Twitter. The tags are very easy tags to do. So once you're done with the tags, you just go there, and then that's how you participate with the Raffles. Okay, now if you want to get back to the dashboard, just come to this place and click here. It will take you to the main dashboard. Okay, now this is one of the daily tasks you have to do. So you have to at least participate in 2 optional raffle tasks. Okay, so after doing that, you can also participate in 5 more. So once you're done with that, as you do that, the point count, okay, automatically they accumulate the points for you here. So now other ones you have to do here, this one's more of like special tags, okay. So you come here to follow this particular page on IG, this one on TikTok. So once you do that, you come back here and claim your points, okay. So now this one is kind of more of like liking and following the Twitter, okay, most of their daily posts, okay. So it's more of like daily tags. So that means every day you come here, there are different tags you have to do, but are just mainly followings and likes and all those ones. They are not hard tags to do, okay. So easy ones to do. So now once you are done with this, so now this is all for now for this particular one. So it's a very easy one to go about. So just join the raffle, come here every single day, participate in the daily tags and the daily spin, and just complete. Anyone you complete, you see that they will tick here that you are done with, and the points will immediately accumulate, okay. So that's all for this particular airdrop, okay. That's all for now, so thank you so much.